All right, beautiful. Okay, wait a minute, it's not beautiful. It's just kind of nice. It's warm. These are cumulus undulatus clouds right here. You see how they kind of have little waves on them on the bottom? They're not really bright, beautiful, gorgeous ones, but they are unique and fun to look at. Can't quite see them on the Natural History Museum, but the one thing you can see is that there's no rain falling, there's no snow falling in the mountains, temperatures have gone way up. This is the south flow coming from the Hawaiian Islands, plastering the Pacific Northwest and Northern California with copious amounts of precipitation. And, you know, this is just the penultimal storm because there's another one behind it. Actually, there are a couple of penultimal storms. All right, I'm using the big words. Penultimal just means that it's the one before the last one. Anyway, looking at the rain moving north, the snow moving north, except for this zone right here. The computer models continue to show right in here, and you can see it on the radar, continued chance for precipitation all day long. So we're going to see another 10 inches in the western Uintas, possibly up to another 8 or 9 inches at Beaver Mountain. And even some snow, probably mixing in with rain or even turning over to all rain at Bear Lake. And you can see it right here. But again, this zone still will be active today. And winter storm warnings are in effect because of that. How about the high winds? High winds over here in Nevada. We also have the winter storm warnings, and here we have winter weather advisories from Pinedale and Big Piney down towards Evanston, and winter storm warnings in Afton and Star Valley, Thane, Smoot, and all of those areas, including Lava Hot Springs and down towards Montpelier. Though Montpelier, you may be on that rain snow line. It may go up above the valley. Right now in St. George, 36 degrees. Wow. And in Salt Lake City, it's 54. Something goofy, but it's because of the south wind. We get this south wind, I call it a hot-oo. Hot-oo, Utah spelled backwards. Anyway, it's like a Chinook, and that's what happens. Now notice this area right in here keeps a little bit of storminess going throughout the day, and then by tomorrow it lifts. And as it lifts, it heads up into Montana where that spigot is open like a fire hose right here, all the way from Northern California to Montana. Very heavy snow up in this region. Now as the storm locks and loads, it reloads again. It heads in here on Wednesday, 7 a.m. Wednesday. Here we are about 2 p.m. Rain mixed with or turning over to snow on the benches, maybe a little bit of rain, snow on the valley floor Wednesday. It turns colder, but then Thursday it warms up. The next storm comes in Friday, and this one here hits about Friday, 2 or 3 p.m. This is a big storm for the mountains once again, and it may even snow in southern Utah. We need that snow desperately in the south. A few snow showers on Saturday morning, and then Sunday this little brush by weather system, and then it looks like another storm reloads out there on Tuesday of next week. In other words, a couple of storms still in the forecast for the third week of the month. Wow, can you believe this? 72, 73 in St. George. That's some warm stuff. Rain showers on Friday. Salt Lake City, 58 today, that's right, 58, 62 tomorrow with some peekaboo sunshine. More clouds on Tuesday, and then rain, snow showers Wednesday. Thursday, in between day. Friday we warm up, and then we get that cold front. So it'll be 54 at noon, and then down to 38 or 35 degrees by 6 p.m. Rain turns to snow Friday night, and early Saturday morning there will be some accumulation with this storm. So a couple of storms, that means the mountains will continue to see abundant snowfall.